Today, I'll guide you through the process of transferring money from your Paysafecard to your PayPal account in 2024. Let's dive in. First, log into your PayPal account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Unfortunately, PayPal currently only allows money transfers through credit or debit cards. Now, let's find a workaround to access your Paysafecard funds. To do this, we'll use a third-party service called Wise. Click Open an account. Create a free account on their website by entering your email, selecting a personal account, choosing your country, and verifying your phone number. After verification, set a password meeting the criteria mentioned. Once your Wise account is set up, under the account, click Open. Here, click Add a currency. Now you can add your Paysafecard. With your Paysafecard added, you can now transfer money from it to your Wise account. To send money to your PayPal account, go to the Wise dashboard, choose Send Money, select the source, either bank or Paysafecard, enter the amount, and choose New Recipient. Click Someone Else. Add your PayPal account details to send money directly to it. Once your PayPal account is added, proceed with the money transfer. Confirm the details and, if required, enter a passcode to approve the transaction. Your money should now be available in your PayPal account. And there you have it, a free and convenient way to transfer money from your Paysafecard to your PayPal account using Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.